Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. And as a card maker, the ability to make my own card bases quickly and accurately is so important to me. And I can do that with this Anna Griffin card making compendium. It's such an essential tool for me to have, and it's such a really extensive set. Not only can I make card bases, but also nesting layers and envelope liners and labels. And in minutes, I can have my card base made and I can make it in whatever pattern I have in my craft room. It doesn't just have to be a plain white card base. There are 3 different size card bases you can make. I generally use an A7, but I also love the ability to do an A6 or an A2 sized card. This Anna Griffin card making compendium is a must-have in my craft room for my card making. It's made my card making so much easier and so fun, and that's my point of view.